Okay.
What?
Glands of the skin. We have okay, now we're going to go over the different comedoes. Okay, we have open comedo, we have a closed comedo, we have acne, we have a papule, and we have a pustule. An open comedo ordinarily, like I said, the sebum goes in through the oil duct, leading to the follicle to be clogged. Um, so that means the pore is impacted. And so this is called an open comedo, also known as a blackhead. A hair follicle filled with dead keratinized cells and sebum is formed. Then you have a closed comedo, also known as a whitehead. It is also filled with dead cells and sebum, but has a very small surface follicle opening, and it appears as a small white bump just right underneath the skin surface. Um, this type of lesion can lead to acne or a papule or a pustule. So acne is also known as a acne vulgaris. Okay. It is a skin disorder characterized by chronic inflammation of the sebaceous glands from retained secretions and bacteria known as probi. Oh God, propio, probi, propionibacterium acne, abbreviated as P. acnes. The technical term for acne bacteria. Papule, also known as a pimple, is a small elevation on the skin that contains no fluid but may develop a pus. A pustule is raised inflammation papule with white or yellow center containing pus in the top of the lesion, referred to as a head of a pimple. So your papule and your pustule. Functions of the skin. There are 6 functions of the skin, and you need to know them. You have protection, sensation, heat regulation, excretion, secretion, and absorption. So the first one is protection. Obviously, it protects the body from any injury or bacterial invasion. It's the outermost layer. It's covered with a thin layer of sebum and fatty lipids to make your skin waterproof. Then you have sensation, which responds to heat, cold, touch, pressure, and pain. Then you have heat regulation, which protects the body from the environment. As any changes occurred in the outside temperature, the blood and the sudoriferous glands of the skin make it necessary for you to adjust to allow the body to be cooled by the evaporation of your sweat. So basically, it's kind of like a swamp cooler for your body. Then you have excretion, which is perspiration from your sudoriferous gland. It's excreted through the skin. Water loss through perspiration takes salt and other chemicals with it. Then you have secretion, which is sebum, is secreted by the sebaceous glands. This oil lubricates your skin. It keeps it soft and pliable, and the oil also keeps the hair soft, believe it or not. Emotional stress and hormone imbalances can increase the flow of your sebum. And last but not least, we have absorption. Absorption are some ingredients that can absorb by the outer layers of your skin, but very few ingredients can penetrate your epidermis. So small amounts of fatty materials, such as those that you use in advanced like skincare formulations, may absorb between the cells and through the hair follicles and your sebaceous gland openings. However, cosmetic products are not formulated to penetrate your epidermis. Promote nutrition and skin health. Okay, skin disorders, fatigue, stress, depression, and some diseases can be caused by an unhealthy diet or improper hydration. Okay, there's 6 classes of essential nutrients the body needs. These essential nutrients are obtained through eating and drinking. The body cannot make nutrients in uh, significant amounts to sustain itself properly. So you're going to need the proper following things. Carbohydrates, they're good. They're needed for energy to run every function of the body. Okay, you need fats needed for many body functions, including your hormones, your sebum production, and absorption of any fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, or even K. Also, proteins. Those are important for building muscles and blood tissues and for cell repair and replacement. Then you got your vitamins, and your vitamins are required for many body functions to occur. You have your minerals. Your minerals are used by your cells to produce important biomechanical that help your body in many body functions. You need water, obviously. It makes up 50 to 70% of the body's weight, and it's necessary for virtually every function of the cell and the body. So make sure you drink plenty of water. The United States Department of Agriculture, which is the USDA, developed a special program to help people determine the amounts of food that they need to eat from the 5 basic food groups of the pyramid. My plate and can be viewed at www.choosemyplate.com. Okay, eating the recommended amounts of food from the 5 basic food groups is the best way to support and maintain the health of your skin and your health. So eat a variety of foods, grains, dairies, vegetables, protein foods, and fruits in moderation.